Hey Michael, it's Lee. I put together this quick how-to video to walk you through all the steps of uploading your new template and then editing it. So I'm gonna run through this really quick, and hopefully this will address any questions you run into. So first thing you're gonna do, obviously, is log into your LeadPages account, and it's gonna take you here to this templates page. Your template, of course, it's not gonna be in here yet. So what we need to do is we need to go upload it. Okay, so we'll go over here to the account section and go to, scroll down, go to My Templates. Okay, and then you'll see I've got a handful of templates already uploaded, but you're going to click Upload New Template. It's running a little slow. Loading. Come on, LeadPages. Still loading. Man, I've got super fast internet, so I don't know why it's going so slow. Must be LeadPages. Okay, so you go to Upload New Template. You'll name your template. You don't have to give it a description, and then you're just going to choose the file I'm going to send you, and you're going to upload it. Okay. So then once you've uploaded it, you can come over here to you can either go to LeadPages or Templates. I'm going to take you to LeadPages, or actually no, I'm going to take you to LeadPages. Okay. You're going to go to Create New Page. And then you're going to go to Custom, the Custom category. Okay, and then here is your template. You won't see all these other ones. These are all custom ones that I've uploaded to my account. But here's your template. The first one you see will be yours. So you're going to do this every time you want to create a new page, if you want to create a new page every time. So then let's go check that out. It's going to load up the template, and you'll be able to start editing it. I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to use LeadPages, and then some of the extra functionality I built into the template for some of the stuff you're looking for. Okay, so over here on the left-hand side, you've got the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can do a lot of different things as far as like you can hide and show different elements on the page. You can also change styles like the background colors and some font color, or mainly background colors and button colors, stuff like that between these two. But every element that's editable on the page is in this side, and it's all broken down by section. So each section, these first ones, they are all for your popovers, like when you hover over, and as well as your testimonial content. Okay, so super easy to use LeadPages. You just jump in, start making edits like right away. Links, you can click in, you can change stuff that way. If you want to change this image out, you can do that. Wow, that's a big one. Change it back to your logo. You can upload a new one. If it's not in your account, you can upload a new one. Okay, so done. And really, it's super simple. So you just go through and click these. And everything is just super easy. A button, as far as like adding like a lead box to collect information for this Start Now. So you're going to click it, open. It's going to say, right now it says go to URL. So right now it's just a link. If you wanted to show a pop-up form, a lead box, you'll go to Show Opt-in Form. You'll click Done. Okay. You'll click back into it, and here you can edit the form for your page. You can edit everything, like you can edit the images. You can change the integration settings. Right now it's set to go to my brother's email, but you can integrate with MailChimp, I think Infusionsoft as well. This is where you'll make that integration. You can get rid of form fields, change button color. You can get rid of that thing, get rid of this. Super easy. You can edit this text. You can say, give me your email, pretty please. So you can do that with any button or any link on the page. So you can also change the form style. Like you can add a border. You can change the color of the border. You can add you can change the form image, or wait, let's see. Header image. You can put a header image on here. You can make it visible. You can swap it out like so. You do it like that. Here's another little image. Okay. So as you can see, you can do a bunch of stuff here. And like I said, you can do that with any button. You can do that with that button. You can do that with any link too. Like you do with this link, you don't have to go to a URL. You could show a pop-up instead. And that's kind of like the magic of LeadPages. How easy it is for you to edit this stuff, as well as how easy it is to capture those emails. So like I said, I'm going to run through over here real quick. So the page is broken down into sections, and I tried to make them as logical as possible. So for example, this main section is called the header. Now if you want to hide that, you just hide it like so. And now it's hidden. You can hide stuff within that section as well. You can hide that text. You can hide this text. You could hide this button. Hide that button. And you could keep going. You can do this with everything on the page. The other thing, so I mean that about sums it up really for the LeadPages functionality. Like it's just super intuitive and straightforward. Now here's our control panel we built. With this you can use our drag and drop functionality. Change out the backgrounds. You can add, this is where you'll add the videos to these video buttons to watch the video. This is where you'll edit the popovers for the illustrations. This is where you'll edit the testimonial text for the slider here, and the slider looks a little messed up here. It doesn't though once it's published. I don't know why it does that. I tried to make it look normal, but it's just the way that LeadPages deals with it. And finally, I have this how-to video in here as well. So one by one, I'll go down this list and show you real quick. So the drag and drop. This is, again, super easy. So say, for example, you want to move this social validation ahead of the header. It popped it up there. You'll see it's hidden now because it's behind the menu. But if we move that menu down, there it is. Now that's at the top of your screen. So you can rearrange all of these sections. You can rearrange within some of these sections, like so. That's it. Super simple. To save the order, you have to save the page. So just make sure you hit save once you're ready to save those changes. This next section is every section of the page you can change out the background. So basically you pick the section you want to change out the background, and then you can have parallax scrolling on or off. So to show you the difference, it's off right now. If I turn it on, there's parallax scrolling is now on. Notice how the image stays fixed in place versus it moves with the page with it off. We also have overlay. So if you need to darken it up to make a font show on a bright image, you can use that as well. And then we have a library of a bunch of images. Hopefully this is what you'll be making with this template, and I'm confident you will. but you can just swap these out super easily. We have textures, videos, colors. You're probably not going to be using any of those, but you know, it's there if you want it. And then if, for example, like, and here I'm going to show you real quick, social validation. So you just pick a section and then it, you know, it does it. So put it back to what it was. So then, like say none of these images in here, and I put your images in the media library so you can quickly pick them out. But say the image you want isn't in there, you'll come over here to this header section, and the way this works is this background element is populated from this background library, the media library in the control panel. If you want to use your own image, you'll hide that. You'll open this custom background, and then you'll pick out an image. So you can, and again, you can upload one here too. So I just swapped it out real quick. And to go one step further, if you just want a solid color, and the color is not in our background library, you hide that background. You'll come up here to the styles, and you can change the color of the background sections like so. Okay, there you go. So tons of flexibility and functionality. Super easy to use, but you know, that's not the most intuitive, just so you know. That's how that works. Okay, next thing up, how to add videos to this button. This button as well as the one below. So if you want to add a header video, you'll just click that. You'll paste in the, so I'm going to come over here, you'll go to this embed section with the iframe. You'll grab that, and you'll just drop this in like so. It looks weird here, it looks small, but when the page loads, it won't. So the header video is for this one, and then if you scroll down, if you click the body video, that's for this one. So you can have two different videos for those sections. Super easy. The next thing is these popovers. So they're in order, number 1, 2, 3, and to edit them, you'll come here and you'll just type in whatever you want, and it'll automatically populate those. If for some reason you hide one of these images, it's going to screw up the order here, so just be aware. I wouldn't recommend hiding any of these illustrations because it will mess these up. You'll be able to figure out which goes with which. It just might take you a little work. And then finally, this testimonial section. You'll come down here, slide 1 title, slide 1 client, and you can just edit these. Slide 2 title, slide 2 client, slide 3, etc. And then this how-to video, you click that if you want to watch that. Couple other little minor things for this testimonial slider. To add the background images, you're going to want to come over here to the testimonials section. Okay, you're going to go to slider, you're going to go to slide 1, and then it'll pop open, and you can swap out the image there. There's slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and then you can also hide the caption if you want. And that's for the background image. If you want to change this image here, you can just click on it directly and swap it out like so. And if you click the edit slide 2, edit slide 3, it just will show you those slides so you can take a look at them. Let's see what else. Here you can edit this text here. I have these buttons here in the builder to open this, so you can edit this text. Same with down here in the FAQs, so you can edit this, and then if you want to edit the text, there you go. This FAQ is a little different than the others, or not that one. What comes in the conception kit, this one's a little different. So you can edit the text, then you can edit the image. And then we've got another image, more text, another image, text, image, image. All the other ones are just text, so you're not going to be able to add images and stuff like with this one. That's the only one that has that. And then again, we've got all these links. Then you can edit this text down here as well. And these links, these links link out to your, these icons link out to your social media. So, let me see. I'm going to scroll through real quick and just make sure I didn't miss anything. You can edit all this. I think that about sums it up. Other than that, okay, so once you're done, you're going to name your page. I'm going to call this Michael 14. And I'm going to click Save. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Publish, okay? So you go to Publish, you'll click Publish, and you can view the page, the published page. Once this loads, okay, view page. You can share this link too right here. You could send that link around to get feedback. So here's your page. There's your video pop-up. If I scroll down, I think we put a, yeah, we did. We put a pop-up here. The other video pop-up. These pop-ups, popovers. Let's see. Got the different, got this. Oh, one thing to note is, notice how that was open. You want to make sure you close these before you save the page, otherwise they'll save open. Yeah, these are closed. And all the edits took hold, so everything's working great. But if I come back over here, so once you're ready to go live, I don't know if you guys have a WordPress site or not. To use this on WordPress, you'll need the LeadPages WordPress plugin, and then you'll be able to just grab that saved page and put it on whatever URL you want on your page if you have WordPress. If you have your own server, you can download the HTML and then upload it to your server. So this download allows you to continue to make edits to the page from LeadPages. This download is a full download, and in order to make edits to that, you have to hard code them in. So I'd recommend going with this download. But that is it, Michael. So hopefully that answers all your questions. And otherwise, it's been great working with you, and excited to see how Conception Kit goes. But have a great night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.